Hey everyone! Thanks for stopping by today and being here. I appreciate it so much. Today I'm going to be taking you along with me as I do a get ready with me using a few new makeup techniques. I'm also going to be cleaning my makeup brushes, which is something that I have not ever shared before on this channel. It is very beneficial for your face and your skincare routine to keep your brushes clean. So no matter what you're using, you should still definitely make sure that you are cleaning those brushes. And I also have a few errands to run later. My girls have agreed to come with me, so we do have something fun in store, so stay tuned to the end so that you can see what fun things we do. So thank you again so much for being here. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm just gonna do a little bit of makeup today. I don't have a ton of stuff to do today, just between cleaning and getting things done around the house. I do have a few errands to run and a few Jordan Essentials packages to deliver, so I'm just gonna do a quick makeup. And today I'm gonna do our BB foundation, and I just apply that with my kabuki brush. And I just do one squirt. It's a little bit thicker than our tinted moisturizer, so I just do one little dab. The kabuki brush really helps get it all spread out evenly. And I recently got my hair trimmed again. And so last night, after I washed it, I did put some curls in it, and now I slept on it, so it looks a little bit crazy. So probably put a few extra curls in it just to kind of make it look like something today. Next, I'm gonna go in with the eye fix. This is the light color, and I just highlight the outside of my eye here. And the very tippy top of my cheekbone. And then I do a little bit on the outside here of my eyebrow. And in the very corner of my eye. Okay, I'll just put that little bit of extra on my nose there. And I'll use a cheek tint in the Merlot color. That's the more of the berry color. And mine's almost gone. And I just follow my cheekbone there. And since I'm just doing a little bit, I just do a little bit extra on the apples of my cheeks. And then I take this brush duo by Jordan Essentials. This is one of the products in our Holiday 2020 catalog. And I just kind of dab the eye fix highlight in. And then I take the brush part, and that's where I really just kind of blend everything. I don't ever really do the exact same makeup. Sometimes I need it to be a little bit quicker. Sometimes I have a little bit of extra time to do a little bit more, but today I don't even know if I will see my customers when I deliver. So just need a little bit to feel a little bit put together. The eye palette from Jordan Essentials. It has a very neutral tone, and it comes with its own little brush. So I'm gonna mess with it a little bit. It has two sides, an angled side and a rounded side. And I'm going to take the lightest color and do that on my eyelid and my eyebrow, below my eyebrow I should say. And then I'm gonna take the darker color just a little bit, because these darker colors are very pigmented, and I'm gonna do the crease. help to get rid of the hood on my eye. So I'll do the same thing again with the lighter color. Do my eyelid. It's really a light color. And it's over top of the eye fix, which works as a primer. And then I'm gonna do just a little bit of the dark. Good. And then I got a brand new kabuki brush. So that makes my second one. I was using, oh, it's so soft. It is so soft. I was using the same kabuki brush for my liquid and my powder, but I wanted to get a separate one so that I could keep the wet and the dry separate. And I'm actually going to be cleaning my brushes. I'll show you how I do that. So I'll just take the mineral veil, which is kind of a translucent white color, and then I just go over my whole face. And then I'll use a little bit of mascara, which I think I have a brand new mascara as well. I do. Still in the package. And this is the Amplified. And what this does is mostly lengthen and separate. And the other one is our Flawless, which actually has some fibers in it, so it seems to volumize a little bit more. And I never go on the bottom because my lashes on the bottom are long, and so it always ends up getting on the bottom there. Okay, I'll just finish it off with a little bit of a lip color. We'll just go with this Remarkable Red. Good for the holiday season. Okay. That is good enough. I'll try to do something with my hair here. All good enough, and ready to get those deliveries made and get the rest of my cleaning underway. And I am also going to show you, before I get too involved, how I wash my brushes. Okay, so you can see I have quite a hodgepodge of brushes. These ones are all from Jordan Essentials, and these are just ones that I've picked up along the way. And this one I'm actually not using at the moment, but it still needs to be washed. The nice thing about the Jordan Essentials ones is we do have the all-natural bamboo handles, and all of our bristles are made of natural, sustainable fibers. So they will hold up longer than those that maybe would be made of horse hair or something gross like that. So I'm going to use my gentle foaming facial cleanser, and I'm just going to get it wet and wash it just as if I was washing my hair. And this one, like I said, I've been using for liquid and powder, so it's really been put through the ringer here lately. So I'm glad that I got my second kabuki brush. There are really deep bristles on this one though, so I want to make sure that I get way down in there. So I know it's rinsing clean, and I can see the water is rinsing clean. It's definitely whiter than it was, so. I will set that on there. This one I haven't been using for nearly as long, so it won't take quite as long to get that one clean. This one is a little bit more taut bristles, so it doesn't get down inside of those quite as much. This one is the beveled blush brush, which I use mostly for blending since I use a cream blush. This one is going to take a lot. I used this one for a while before I switched to the kabuki, which was literally one of the best decisions I made. I do still really like the shorter brushes, but for now, I really like the kabuki better. These two are just eyeshadows, so I'll just do them real quick. They're probably not that dirty. Okay, sure that will make putting my makeup on just that much more pleasant. It feels so good to get a little bit of quick cleaning done before I head out and run my errands and make my Jordan Essentials deliveries today. I'm thankful that the sheets are clean and on the bed, and I will link the video below with my sheets routine if you're interested in that. While we were out running errands, we stopped in a neighborhood where my aunt and uncle live and did a quick scavenger hunt. My uncle had sent us pictures of what to look for, and so we stopped and found a few treasures before returning home for the day. Leave me a comment and let me know what kind of impromptu fun things you've done with your kids. As always, thank you for watching. Leave me a thumbs up on your way out, and I'll see you in the next one.